Looking for a simple, healthy, delicious breakfast or snack that has endless variations? Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen, we create healthy, delicious recipes that hopefully keep you inspired to try new food combinations and cook more at home, because really true health begins in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making honey strawberry avocado toast. Let's begin by adding 1 avocado to a mixing bowl. Slice it open, remove the pit, make a grid pattern, and then scoop it out. To your avocado, let's add 1/8 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, more or less to your tasting. About 2 tablespoons worth of freshly chopped up cilantro. Cilantro is a super powerful herb in cleansing the body of toxic heavy metals. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, which is about 1/2 of a lemon. Now, lemons are so good at detoxifying the liver, as well as they're bursting with vitamin C. Toss together your ingredients. You can mash up the avocado or leave it if you prefer a chunkier consistency. Set aside your avocado mixture and toast up 2 slices of your favorite gluten-free bread. While your bread is toasting, slice up 4 to 6 organic strawberries, depending on the size of your bread. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, as well as antioxidants, and they contain anti-inflammatory compounds. Spread your avocado mixture onto your bread, top with the strawberries, and drizzle with just a touch of honey. Garnish with your favorite seeds. I'm using turmeric sunflower seeds. Okay, we are ready to give this avocado toast a try. There are so many variations, so I just want to let you know. You can substitute the cilantro with some fresh basil. You could add in some chopped up garlic, chopped up onion, and even a scoop of our Clean Source collagens powder into the avocado mixture. And then last, you can substitute the honey with some balsamic vinegar. That would really up the flavor as well. So let's give it a taste, shall we? This is so beautiful. I love the freshness of this recipe, especially the cilantro. That was so good, and the strawberries and a little bit of a drizzle of sweetness from the honey and the crunch from the seeds, definitely add in a crunch. You could also top this with a little bit more salt on the top. That could be fun too. I hope you give this one a try. I hope you get super creative with it, and then let us know how it goes for you. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, we appreciate you. We love you being here. Take great care of yourself this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another delicious recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.